to associate this device with a subflow, you double click on a subflow. And if you click here, in the device ID field, you can see that now this device appears. So if I just click on this button here and click on done, this now means that this device gets associated to this subflow here. And what it means is that once I hit the deploy button, in fact, whatever that's contained inside the subflow gets executed inside this device. It no longer gets executed in Prescient Designer anymore, but it will get executed inside this edge device here. So that's what I'm going to do. So I'll hit the deploy button. And you can actually see that this device is getting updated with the flow inside this subflow here. Initially, the first time you deploy, this may take multiple minutes. The reason is that Prescient Designer sends a flow down to the edge device. The Prescient Edge actually checks to see what packages are available. It would install all the missing packages, making sure that all the system parameters are working correctly. So this will take a while. It gets faster after the first install. So you can see that now the installation is successful. And you can tell because there's a little green lock button here. If it's green, it means that whatever that's running in the edge device matches to whatever that is in Prescient Designer. What does this mean? Well, this means that if I go into the subflow, so if I double click on the subflow and I hit edit subflow template, this is the flow that's inside the subflow. You can drag and drop other blocks. You can build pretty complicated stuff. But whatever you build here will be shipped to the edge device and executed there. In this case, it's very simple. It's just generating a random number. But this random number is actually generated in the edge device. It's not generated in Prescient Designer. So that's why the Prescient Designer is called a distributed programming software, because it enables you to program different devices. So if you have multiple devices here, your devices are going to appear as a list here. You can click on multiple ones to associate all those devices to the same subflow. Or if you have a large number of devices, you can also create a file with the device IDs, and you can import large numbers of devices, thousands of devices, and associate that with a particular subflow. You can also have many other subflows. You can associate them with different devices or even the same devices. It's very flexible.